Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Jennifer. And today I'm helping Jessica make a sweater because we're going to go see the BTS Permission to Dance concert at the movie theater a little bit later.
So I'm the one who cut out the material pieces for a BTS sign. And I don't really know how to use the sewing machine. So yeah.
Yeah, I know how to use a sewing machine. I did a class at school, so I'm sewing it.
And we have glasses on for safety to make sure if the needle would break, it doesn't hit us in the eyes. For right now, it looks really nice.
We're almost done.
Yeah, we just have the base of it to do. That's the last line for it. I thought it was gonna take a little longer than this, but it didn't take long at all. So I think it's all done now, pretty much. No, just cut that.
There, it should be done.
So, as you can see, that's the BTS sign there.
So instead of buying one at the online, because they're really expensive.
Yeah.
You can just make your own. It's pretty easy to do.
Yeah. Later on, what I'm going to probably do is I'm going to write BTS there. I'm going to sew some of the BTS sign there. So yeah. So it's all done. It looks pretty good. I wanted it to be purple, but I couldn't find any purple material. So I just used blue. It's pretty nice though. And you can just like buy like a older sweater or at like the thrift store. You don't have to buy like a brand new sweater. It's you can just buy one at the thrift store. It's just as good.
Yeah, and it's not that expensive.
No.
So it will be easy to make one.
Yeah.
So
don't forget to like and subscribe.
bye.